All right, hey there, it's Collin, Fett, your agent here with the March market update. So this is numbers looking back over the past month of February and kind of diving into what's going on out there and what you can expect coming up. So whether you're looking to buy, sell, invest, hopefully this is informative information for you. And I'll just kind of dive right into the numbers. So new listings this past month, we had 61 new listings come to the market. Total sales 71, total pending 66, which is up 23 from last month, pretty close to what it was last year. I'll get into those numbers in a second. Year-to-date units sold 64. Average price point has jumped up a bit. Now it's at 277. Average days on market 70. That number is definitely skewed. If you took out the outliers of new construction that have been on the market for a year or longer, that would definitely be compressed down. And so the absorption rate shows that. And so the absorption rate is basically if no new houses came to the market, how long would it take to clear out the inventory that we have on the market? So right now we've got 71 houses for sale. If there's no new inventory, it would take 1.3 months. Basically, there's 66 that go pending, 71 are on the market. It takes a month and a couple days to sell them all out is essentially what it is. So honestly, this is like the steepest absorption rate I've seen skewed towards sellers in a very long time. Here's a graph just showing it. Again, a level market, a neutral market is 5 months inventory. Buyer's market, meaning that there's more supply than demand, 10-month inventory. So like I said, it's just went down pretty significantly here in the last couple of months. And as I've talked about last month, it has a lot to do with the number of houses that are coming on the market compared to the number of houses that are selling. And so we kind of have a backlog over the past since COVID, really. There have been consistently less houses coming on the market month over month, but similar numbers are selling. So if you look at new listings here, 2019, just about every month. So, I mean, we had 100 in April. We had 63 in April of 2020. 80, 20 less, 10 to 20 less every month, it seemed like, of new listings. But then what we're seeing is pending actually is picking up. So pending definitely dropped because there's less, on the market. But shoot, this last month we had 66 go pending. Last year we had 53. The year before that we had 52 in February. So, I mean, this is looking to be the best February or best spring market we've seen in a long time. A lot of that has to do with, COVID and interest rates still staying low. And so my advice is if you've considered selling, now is the best time as any. It's super competitive out there for buyers to get in houses. If you're looking to buy, I mean, it's tough to say what the future will bring. It's hard to believe that prices are going to correct down. Reading a lot of blogs and information I read, the equity in houses is still strong across the United States. So it's not the same as the housing bubble was of 2008. I've had that question a lot. Is it a housing bubble? A lot of the indicators of people that I listen to is no, because that had a lot to do with the mortgages and people being overfinanced, over leveraged. So the equity position across America is far better than what we were before. So a lot of it's kind of this artificial demand due to the last year. There's a lot of things going on. There's people that don't want to move because a lot of those move down buyers that are in the bigger house are older, 50 and older, so they don't want to move yet until COVID's done. There's the people that are working from home that want to move up, so there's a demand there. There's the normal demand that people want to move. So a lot of factors playing into it, but those are kind of the numbers for you. So we're seeing the moral of the story is we're seeing a very high competition for buyers. Like I said, sellers, help us out. If you've got a house and you consider selling it, that would really help out a lot of people that are trying to find a house to buy. So anyway, as always, I'm here to help. If you got questions about the market, how it affects you or your property, or looking to buy, and what the market means for you, please reach out. I'd love to help.